just came back from my vacation to Haiti. I didn't know how amazing it would be and how it would make me feel. I was so happy I brought my family with me. They need to experience it as well. There was so much to see and do. The food, the culture, the beaches, the wonders. Most of all, people. Come and see for yourself. Haiti, experiences.
Comme nous besoin de venir en Haïti, j'ai besoin d'aller dans l'hôtel pour nous suspendre à la famille. Parce que l'hôtel est fait, alors m'accompagner de 3 l'hôtel ici qui fait tout effort ça pour venir monter, qui ça nous fait en Haïti, toute rénovation que nous fait. Donc, si nous pas appuyer, nous ne pouvons pas vivre quel côté. Même qu'on est que Haïtien, mais à l'état nous tournons après, c'est pas les classes, c'est ça que je veux dire. Deuxième base, je dis pour tout Haïtien qui est ici présent, c'est que à partir du moment que nous réservons à travers Chip Caribbean, à travers Expedia ou à travers Transatlantique ou à travers Haïti Boarding ou à travers l'autre opérateur qui est basé aux États-Unis, nous avons un VIP treatment au niveau de l'aéroport pendant 1 an à partir d'aujourd'hui. Depuis nous réserver, ma bonne tout email, tout le monde passé ces 2 barils, c'est email avec discount dans l'hôtel. Je suppose discount dans l'hôtel. Donc, email m'a publiquement pascal.hilaire@tourisme.gouv.ht. Depuis nous acheter un voyage, un package, dans l'hôtel, dans 4 côtés ça que nous disons. Et nous voyons réservation pour nous recevoir traitement ça à l'aéroport. À partir du moment que nous arrivons à l'aéroport jusqu'à ce que nous mettions dans le bus dehors, dans le parking de l'aéroport. Donc c'est ça, le ministère du Tourisme a compris tout touriste qui vient en Haïti. Donc, effectivement, I would like to thank everybody here, but mostly I would like to thank Rachel Moscoso. I would like to thank, because this is our last stop. We've been to Atlanta, Missouri, Orlando, Miami, Boston, Connecticut, and here tonight, Atlanta. I want to start again. Now we are planning to do a 10 cities road show on October, and I hope that we will have more hotels coming with us. But I would like to thank Christian Fomber from Kinam, Charles from Moulins-sur-Mer, and Oliver and Julia from Royal Decameron. Thank you very much.
So, with that said, I would like to introduce to you Oliver Singer from Indigo, the Decameron. Oliver, I know you have a great product to present, so you do your thing.
How about a hand for the MC? How about discount for the MC?
Oliver learned yesterday.
Discount. Ladies and gentlemen, it's great to be here. Before I start, I'd like to echo Charles' sentiments and thank Pascal, the Ministry of Tourism of Haiti, the Consul in New York, for organizing this, for inviting us to be part of this event. Decameron is very excited about Haiti, and I can't wait to share some of our thoughts with you. For some of you that don't know, Decameron is an all-inclusive resort chain. We have about 40 hotels in 11 countries and 3 continents. So we have traveled all over the place. We're not in some of your more typical tourist destinations. The way Decameron has grown is we've been going into new places that we think has potential. We started in Colombia 20 years ago, so we know what it's like to try and get people to come to a country that they don't already know. Now Colombia has all kinds of all-inclusive hotels. We started with the first all-inclusive hotel in Panama. now there are 10. We were the first in El Salvador, now there are 5. We see this potential in Haiti, and we absolutely want to explore it. So the hotel you see before you is going to be the Royal Decameron Club Indigo Beach Resort and Spa, which is going to open on the 1st of November. It used to be a Club Med, but one of the things I want to say first of all, because I've been to Haiti a lot in the last few months, and every time I've been there, people have asked me whether we're going to be the same as Club Med, and the same they hope we weren't. When I was asking why, they said, because the Club Med was a hotel in Haiti for French people. And I want to be very clear that what we're doing is a Haitian hotel in Haiti for Haitians. For people from Port-au-Prince, for the diaspora living in America, and for all kinds of international clients. It's open to everyone, and I think that that's going to make it the amazing mix. Because what we want, the way we're going to get people to go to Haiti is for them to experience Haiti with Haitians. As you've heard from Pascal, from Charles, there is an incredible charm, a joie de vivre, a culture, a music that they need to experience, otherwise they can just be in another hotel on another beach in any place in the world. So, the hotel you have in front of you, as I said, we've taken over the hotel, we're going to do an $8 million renovation. So what we're trying to achieve is to give Haiti the kind of international, all-inclusive resort that can rival Cuba, that can rival Dominican Republic, that can rival Acapulco, all of these big tourist destinations. Because with these kind of hotels, and the boutique hotels, and the city hotels, is what brings the charters. And we need to bring people to Haiti. We need numbers. We need lots of people to come. With these renovations, with this new hotel, we're hoping to bring charters. We're already in discussions. The minister is helping us to bring charters from France, from Canada, from the Czech Republic, from USA, from Guadeloupe and Martinique, and from Italy. This is the beginning, but really every European, North American, South American country is a possibility. So actually, you can go back one slide. So these you have all of you in the bags in front of you, one of these sheets. I'm not going to go through all of the details because there's a lot of presentations to go through, but you have all of the details in this sheet. If you don't have one, come and see me after. But the basic points are, there's going to be almost 400 refurbished rooms. All of them are ocean views. We have 3 different restaurants. We have one buffet restaurant and 2 a la carte. There's 2 swimming pools. There's a spa. There's all kinds of sporting activities, tennis, archery, pétanque for the French people. It's very important. They like that. We have all kinds of activities. And the most important thing is this beach. Now, this makes my job, I think, very easy, because I don't have to talk a lot. I can just say, this is where we're sitting, and you should really come and see it, because there's not a lot of other beaches that I've seen that are like that. I have to say, when I'm there, every time I go for a swim in the morning, it just puts me in a good mood, and I'm happy to be in Haiti. And I want you to come and discover that happiness as well. Part of the renovations we're going to be doing is for the guards. One of them about this hotel is it's situated on 50 hectares. So there's ample room. We're going to be, putting all kinds of quiet areas, music areas. So the reason we have 2 swimming pools is so that, some people like to have that animation in the morning, and you have as you saw, the aerobics with the music and the games in the pool. And then if you want to read your book, go a little bit quiet, you can go to all the other side of the hotel, and you have a whole other area, which is fantastic. Really, as I say, I've been focusing a lot on the beach, because I'm a beach person, and I have to say, for me, there's nowhere else I've seen this in the Caribbean. I've sold our hotels in Jamaica, in Panama, in Peru, all over the place, but the beach in Haiti really is, I think, fantastic. So with that, I just want to show you the rooms. We're going to do all different kinds of styles of room. This is one of them. As I said, the hotel's being renovated right now, so I don't have a picture of the final room, but there's a standard that goes with all the cameras that we're going to adhere to. So with that, I just want to say that it is a very exciting prospect for us. We can't wait to open, but we will, as I say, need all of your help to talk to your friends, to talk to your colleagues, and suggest to everyone you know that the next holiday they go on should be to Haiti. So thank you very much.
Beautiful. I love this guy. Hey, we're moving right along. Like I said, we have 2 more presentations to go. The next one will be from Richard from Kinam.
Monsieur le Consul, Madame Secrétaire d'État, Pascal. I feel like I can call you Pascal after the 10 days we had together. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, frères et sœurs, bonsoir. It's an honor for me to be here today, standing in front of you. Why? Because it's a new day. A new day, I have the chance to say that I'm participating in this movement that's happening with the Ministry of Tourism and the amazing work that they're doing. If you guys don't agree, I don't know that who wouldn't agree to this, but a big round of applause for the Ministry of Tourism. It's an honor for me to be able to part of the history that's being written now for Haiti, as the Ministry of Tourism puts the destination of Haiti back in the world tourism map. It is also an honor for me to be here today standing in front of you guys, because we here speaking of the diaspora, we know they exist, we know they send money down to Haiti, but I wanted to see you guys in person, which is why we're here. We want to see you in Haiti. So we wanted to come make sure that you guys did really exist. So it's an honor for me to be here and see you guys, and thank you for giving me the time to speak to you guys quickly and briefly. Today I'm going to present the Kinam Hotel. The Kinam Hotel is a property located in Pétionville, in the heart of Place Saint-Pierre. For those of you who know Pétionville, there's a very nice park right next to the church, but also lots of restaurants, pharmacy, grocery store, everything. It's the heart of the city right now. And so the Kinam Hotel is located in the middle of the heart of the city. And just a quick couple of points before I show you guys a virtual tour of the property. It first started back as a 9-bedroom bed and breakfast from 3 generations ago when the Buteau family started the hotel. They grew it to a 40-bedroom gingerbread hotel. And today they added a whole new wing to increase it to a whole 113-bedroom hotel in the heart of Pétionville. It was very important also for the Buteau family to keep the originality of the gingerbread. So when they added the new wing, they did not break down the whole hotel. They kept it, renovated, and want to save that story. So for the people that want the true Haitian hospitality, you should definitely experience it at the Kinam Hotel. Without further ado, I want to take you guys on a virtual tour here. Charles, if you can press play for me, and I'll be right back after the conclusion.
Welcome to the Kinam Hotel, where our home is your home. The Kinam Hotel comes from 3 generations of old Disney who have maintained the tradition of true Haitian hospitality. We invite you to experience the virtual tour of the hotel and hope to welcome you in person into your home away from home. Please come.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is Haiti. We are asking you guys to think outside the box. We are asking you guys, as Charles mentioned, come and have your weddings in Haiti. We are asking you to host your business meetings and conferences and events down in Haiti. Come and rest back in the country. We are asking you to take your next vacation down in Haiti. We are all waiting for you. We came personally today to tell you that. So hopefully we will see you guys next time, but this time in Haiti. It is also a bittersweet moment for me right now because for the past 8 days I was able to work alongside some of these leaders in the tourism and hospitality industry in Haiti, which again I said is a new day. But we've already been talking about how we're going to do our next road show and how it's going to be bigger and better to welcome you guys again back home. So today, we did our job. You asked for those airlines, you asked for those new hotels, you asked for more security in the country, and all of that is happening. Now, the last part of the equation to connect all the dots is for you guys to come home. So it's a new day. Let's see the diaspora back home. Thank you.